फ्रॉम गांधी चौक टू बोडगेश्वर शिम हे काम 1 वर्स पयलीं चालू केल्लें आमी, बट काही लँड एक्विजिशन इश्यूजाक लागून हे काम उरलेलें. वी कॅन सी दॅट paving of extended part of the road is started today. आज नाला फाल्यां मेरेन सोंपयतले. This is only the base layer of asphalt that is being laid. हेजे उपरांत आमकां खबर आसा एज व्हेकल्स मूव लेवल सगळे आसा ते आमकां कळपाक येतले. So the correction will take place post monsoon. Subsequently there will be a divider along with street lights that will come here, and finally in October also we will have the final coat of hot mixing after correction of profile correction that the monsoon will allow us to see. खंय उदीक साठटा, खंय it is a शेतान extension आसा ते. So there will be a lot of settlements in this area. With vehicular movement during the monsoon, we will get to know about which places require more correction, which places are okay. But पावसा पयलीं हे काम ओरसो ओपन जावंक जाय म्हणून हे काम आयज सुरू जालें. खूब जाणांनी म्हाका विचारलें, वाय डिडंट यू स्टार्ट अर्लियर? If the base work is not completed, I cannot complete the work, nor am I in a situation to pressurize any contractor to complete the work. कितें आसा, हे काम युटिलिटीचे काम जावन आसलें. We have sewage connections in Mapsa, Angod, and we have water supply connections. Till they don't give me the final green signal, we will have leakages again. परत थंय पडचें पडटलें. We can see that situation in Marna area, where WRD and PWD has dug the roads again after hot mixing. तशें जावंक उपकारना. That is my belief. We don't want to waste government funds and materials over and over again. We have waited the last 6-7 months for this work to get completed. आमकांय खबर आसा लोकांनी भरपूर त्रास काडलेले आसा. So wherever we can complete base work, most of the roads have both base layer as well as top coat. So wherever we can do only base layer, we will do only base layer. Omnidajan AGM approval दिलेले आसा. We will follow up with administrator. That file will go to administrator, and from administrator it will go to art and culture department. The communication is taking place between administrator and art and culture department. So as soon as possible, whatever resolution they've taken, whatever payment has to be made to them, let the government make the provision. Honorable Minister Bab Govind Gowde has assured that Ravindra Bhavan in Mapsa will happen. So it was just a matter of land. Now that they have given in principle approvals, we can follow up and see how things go on. एकटो मनीस कोण आसलो पळय हांगा लँड ओनर, तो हायकोर्टान गेलो. त्या कारणाक काम उरलेलें. आतां हायकोर्ट म्हाज्या हातीन कांय ना. नॉर कॅन आय गिव or inform anybody to give a faster judgment. As per process or court proceedings प्रमाणे कितें लँड एक्विजिशनाचो कितें विशय आसलो विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द पेमेंट कंपोनंट, कितलो रेट कितें थारोवपाचो, कसो थारोवपाचो, कितलो अमावंट दिवपाचो, त्या कारणाक खंय तरी उरलो.